Joni, for this size set, I'm gonna take 2 sheets of rock, but we don't need them. See, what we have is we have 2-inch foam here. We don't need them that thick, so on the smaller rocks, I'm gonna cut them in half. We're gonna go around the edge, so it's not perfect.
You make it look so easy.
And it is easy. That's the whole purpose of this, is making it easy for everybody to design and create. On the front of our little kitchen shelf here, you're just gonna take the rocks that they cut with the hot knife and just take a small any nail. I'm gonna show you a couple of tricks here. One is to add a little bit more texture. We can use the heat gun, which is perfect. And the other one that I'm gonna show you is acetone. Yes, acetone, women use it to take their nail polish off. And what this stuff does, you wanna use some latex gloves. Make sure you use some eyewear. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this acetone, brush it on the foam, and it melts it just enough to give it that sand texture and that rock texture, what we're looking for. So this is the fun part. You know, guys, we had the volunteers and I had them start laying up some of the rock work here, but you can see they have them on an angle. Now, if we were doing this kind of wacky and fun looking, I would absolutely suggest we do it wacky and fun, but we're going for more realistic look and feel. So make sure that you lay your rocks, because, you know, back then they had to lay their rocks pretty much straight. Where we put our 2 walls together, some of our foam is showing through and the acetone doesn't affect it. What you want to do, you can see this cool looking blade that we have there. You take that and go in there and just cut it right out. By the time you get the paint on there, you'll never ever see that seam.